Hey everyone, Chris from HMR Motors. Today I have a 2020 BMW 330i xDrive sedan with only 56,000 miles. This car has been owned by the owner's wife for the last 5 years and driven for the last 45,000 miles, with all maintenance performed in-house, so you know it's been exceptionally well cared for. It's super clean, rust-free, and excellent condition, and it's powered by BMW's 2.0-liter twin-power turbo 4-cylinder engine paired with the sport automatic transmission and xDrive all-wheel drive. This 330i delivers an excellent balance of performance, comfort, and fuel economy. It's equipped with a convenience package featuring comfort access keyless entry, blind spot detection, lane departure warning, and front collision warning. It also has the parking assistant package, which includes rear view camera and surround view with 3D view, giving you 360-degree camera system. Inside, you'll find a sunroof, heated sport seats, navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, and much more. In today's video, we're going to do a full walk around, show you the interior and all the features working, and then take it out on the road for a test drive. So let's get started. Let's start with a walk around of the BMW so you can see the overall condition. I'll show you the paint, body panels, wheels, and point out anything worth noting as we go.
Hood looks really nice. I don't see anything worth noting here. Headlights are super clear. Grill looks really good. Front bumper has like a little touch up right here, a couple scratches. You can see a little more touch up right there. Super small, little cosmetic stuff, but I like to point everything out to you guys. I don't want there to be any surprises. Little scratches on the bumper. Front fender looks really good. Tires are brand new. We put brand new tires all the way around this car. So brand new tires all the way around. Rim looks really nice. Front door looks really good. Rear door looks really nice. Don't see anything worth pointing out here. No curb rash on this rim. Quarter panel looks good. Little scratch right there. Roof looks really nice. There's a little ding right here. I don't know. But yeah. No other dings anywhere else. You can see it's super clean. Trunk lid looks really good. Rear bumper's got like a little ding or two and a couple light scratches. It's really small. This quarter panel also looks really nice. I don't see anything. Back door looks good. Little scratch right here. Might actually buff out. Front door looks really good. Little scratch right here.
Now let's check out the interior. I'll walk you through the features, condition, and show you everything in more detail.
Passenger seats in really good shape. So you have power seats here. You see they move forward and back and recline, so you can see everything working. They go up and down too. You can see that going right there. You have like lumbar support and all that, as well as like a leg extension, which is really nice. The back seats, really good shape. Got the all BMW rubber floor mats all the way around, which is really nice. Let's check out the trunk. Do have a power lift gate. Rubber trunk mat as well, some storage compartments down there. That's your wheel lock. You have the button here. If you close the trunk, press that, trunk closes. Seats in really good shape. Do have a armrest / cup holder. It's an awesome little feature. It does have rear air conditioning as well, so you can see, play with it. Automatic. 2 USB-C ports and a power, which is really nice. Memory seats. Driver's seat's in really nice shape. Alright, let's get inside. Did have it running, so I'm going to turn it off for you guys so you can see there's no warning lights or anything on. See, just the seatbelt lights are on. Turn down the AC. All right, let's take a look around. Start with the air conditioning. See, we have automatic AC. We'll go through all the fan speeds. So that all works. Let's check out the radio. Oh, let me turn it on here. Not AM. There we go. So you hear all the radio working, the speakers work really good. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I do have a picture of that working in the listing. Unfortunately, I'm recording with my phone, so I can't show it working wirelessly, but it does work. We do have navigation as well. You can see the map here. So that all works. This also does have a backup camera with 360-degree cameras, which is really nice, super awesome. Makes parking a breeze. Does have automated parking as well. You can see that right there. All right, we do have our door locks here. See that working, as well as our mirrors. You can see they move up and down and left and right. I'm gonna put them back so I can see what I'm doing when I leave. Same thing on this side, up and down and left and right. So you can see they all work. They also fold as well. You can see them folded and unfolded. We do have power windows. All right, so we see all the windows working. We do have our steering wheel audio controls, as well as our pickup and hang up and voice activation. Is our cruise control. What else do we have? We have our shifter here and everything. Yeah, so you can see it's super nice.
Now let's take it out for a spin. I'll show you how well it performs and how it feels out on the road. that wraps up the full tour and test drive. If you got any questions or want to make it yours, give me a call here at HMR Motors in Pompano Beach, Florida. We offer nationwide shipping and free airport pickup to make the process easy no matter where you are. Check us out online at hmrmotors.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more clean, low-mileage vehicles. Thanks for watching.